Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to copy and paste on WhatsApp. So in order to copy and paste on WhatsApp, it's a very simple process. First of all, make sure that the application is completely up to date, and then to begin with, go ahead and open up your WhatsApp application. When you open up a WhatsApp application, this is how it's going to look like. Now basically what you have to do is you need to go ahead and open up the particular chat for which you wish to go ahead and copy the text. So I'm just going to go with this one. So here you can see this is the text. So in order to copy this, long press on it and then you'll be able to see this emoji icon and all that. Make sure not to tap on any of these and tap the three dot icon from the top right and go to copy. And when you've done that, you need to go ahead and exit out of the particular chat, and here you could go ahead and paste it just like that by tapping on the clipboard from the bottom, and then you could go ahead and tap the arrow icon and you could go ahead and send it. So in this way you could go ahead and copy and paste on WhatsApp Android. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.